You ever wonder why some companies, even ones with brilliant people and huge budgets, just can't seem to get AI right? It's one of the biggest puzzles in business today. And you know what? The answer is probably not what you think. So let's get right into it. I want to start with just one number, 74%. Right now, it's just sitting there on the screen, but it actually represents this massive hidden roadblock that's derailing some of the most ambitious tech projects in the world. So what is it? We're about to find out. Okay, so that 74%, that's the number of AI projects that get seriously slowed down or even stopped dead in their tracks. And the reason? Well, it's something most companies have, but they don't even realize it's the true culprit. It's what we're going to call the patchwork problem. And this right here is the heart of it all, fragmented systems. Just think about a company that's been growing for, say, a couple of decades. Finance is using some software from the 90s, marketing jumped on a cloud tool 5 years back, and sales just got the shiniest new CRM. Now, each one of those decisions probably made sense at the time, right? But what you're left with is this digital mess where nothing really talks to each other. You know, the best way to picture this is to think of a house built from a bunch of mismatched parts. You've got brand new wiring in one room, but the plumbing is 50 years old, and the foundation is from a completely different blueprint. I mean, sure, the house is standing, but it's super inefficient, it's fragile, and there is no way you can upgrade it without tearing the whole thing down. That's exactly what's going on inside so many companies today. And having a messy digital house isn't just a technical headache for the IT folks. No, no. It creates this very real and very expensive cascade of chaos that screws up daily operations. You can see the domino effect right here. It all starts when teams are stuck working in their own little bubbles. Because of that, the sales team's forecast never quite lines up with the numbers that the finance team is seeing. This means some poor analyst has to spend their entire afternoon manually copying and pasting from one spreadsheet to another, just trying to make the reports make sense. All that wasted time creates a bottleneck, and bam, suddenly, critical business decisions are put on hold. And this isn't just about being frustrated. This stuff hits you right in the wallet. All that manual rework, that means higher operational costs. Every single time somebody copies data by hand, the risk of a major error just skyrockets. And look, if you can't even get a clear picture of your own business, how are you supposed to react quickly to what's happening in the market? It all adds up, and it becomes a direct threat to your revenue. But this is where the stakes get even higher. If fragmentation is a problem for your business today, it is a potential death sentence for your innovation tomorrow. This is what our source material calls the AI silent killer. And we're back to our number. That 74% of slowed AI projects, it's caused directly by these fragmented systems. Why? Well, it's simple. AI is hungry. It feeds on data. It needs these huge, clean, connected streams of data to learn and get smart. But when your data is locked away in dozens of different systems, your AI models are, well, they're essentially starving. This quote really says it all. Digital fragmentation is a silent killer of AI initiatives, often sabotaging projects before they even commence. It's silent because it's not some flashy, obvious problem, it's deep in the foundations. And it sabotages projects before they even commence because if you can't get the data together in the first place, you can't even get to day one. Okay, so that's the problem. It's big, it's messy, and it's holding so many companies back. But, and this is the important part, there is a clear way forward. Let's shift gears from the chaos to the solution and talk about how to forge a unified future. So every business is basically standing at a crossroads. Down one path, the fragmented one. You've got the status quo, struggling AI, wasted time and money, and just leaving opportunities on the table. But the other path, the unified one, that's where you unlock what AI can really do, where your operations become truly efficient and where you can build a foundation for real, sustained growth. The choice couldn't be more stark. So how do you get there? Well, it starts with making digital integration a real priority for the leadership team, not just some project for the IT department. From there, it's all about making sure your systems are built to talk to each other seamlessly. And holding it all together is a single, cohesive data strategy. So everyone in the company, everyone, is working from the same playbook. And this really brings us to the final, crucial question that this whole analysis leaves us with. It's a question for every single leader and innovator out there. Take a hard look at your own company and ask, Is our digital foundation, that invisible system holding everything together, is it actually built for the future? Or is it the very thing that's holding us back?